Namaste everyone, welcome to today's session. I will be sharing a quick 15-minute routine to help loosen up your body. Many of us have busy mornings and struggle to find time to move our bodies, which is why I have kept this routine short and sweet. Let's get started. Be in a very comfortable position, rolling back your shoulder, spine straight, chin up, eyes closed. Begin, inhale and exhale. We have to calm our mind and we have to prepare our body for the routine as well as our mind. Inhale deeply and exhale deeply. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your nose. Inhale and feel your chest is opened more. And exhale. Try to synchronize the abdominal movement with your breathing. As you inhale, belly goes out. As you exhale, belly goes in. Now start. We will be starting with neck movement. Inhale and drop your head back. Exhale and neutral. Try to strengthen the neck muscles. Inhale back. Exhale, neutral. Inhale, exhale. Very slow movement. You can support your head. Inhale, back. Exhale. Feel the neck muscles. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, drop more. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Very slow movement you can see here. Now place your left palm underneath your left hip and drop your head right side. Feel the stretch in the right side of the neck and neutral. One more time, drop your head right side and neutral. Now repeat this on the right side, that is right palm underneath your right hip. Drop your head left side. Stretch more. One more time. We are stretching also our vagus nerve. And relax. Now clasp your hand behind your back. Let me show you the side view. Clasp your hand behind like that. Open your chest, neck in line with the spine. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale, lift your hands up, exhale down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, open your chest more and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale up, exhale down. Now we will be doing child pose with knees apart. Toes are together, but our knees will be apart so that our upper body can touch the ground. You can place your forehead on the ground or your chin on the ground. Now we will be doing the finger movement. That is, inhale and stretching out our fingers wide, and exhale, fist. Inhale, stretch, exhale, fist. Continue doing it. Stretch the finger more and fist. Continue and relax. Now we will be placing both the palms on our upper back so that our armpit and upper arm can get a stretch. Adjust your upper arm so that you can get a bigger stretch. Now once again straighten the arms. Be on your fingertips. Come on your fingertips. Now inhale up your body from the ground. Exhale down. Inhale, body up. Exhale down. Inhale, upper body up from the ground. Exhale down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, hold, exhale. Now get up and sit in Vajrasana. Now we will be move our spine. Inhale, open your chest. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, open your chest. Exhale, round your back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, open your chest, look up. Exhale. Inhale, open your chest and relax. Now lift your right hand up and place your right palm on the left side of your upper back. Get a stretch in your right upper arm and armpit. Neck in line with the spine. Push your head back. Come out. Now left side, left hand up. Feel the stretch. Come out from the posture. Now inhale, open your hands sidewise. Exhale, arms together. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, open your chest. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And come into Malasana. Now inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, very slow movement. Exhale down. You can see here, inhale up, control movement. Exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Feel the hamstrings and quadriceps. Inhale and hold here. Body weight on the toes, that is forward. You can see the side view. Body weight forward, spine straight. Now bend your elbows so that you can get more stretch in your hamstrings. Now slowly close your feet. Now inhale, bend the elbow. Exhale, straight. Inhale, bend the elbow. Exhale, straight. Now bend the knees and straighten the leg. One time the elbow, the other time the knees. Elbow, knee, elbow, knees. Feel your hamstrings. Now get a full hamstring stretch here. You can see here, full hamstring stretch. Now grasp your ankle and straighten the body and look front and slowly come out of the posture. Now we will be walking on our toes. Very good for your knee health. Stand on your toe and walk. And back. Slowly build the strength. Don't lose your balance. Front, go forward and then backward. Slow movement. And relax. Now again, come into Malasana. Spine straight, look front, chin up and hold the Malasana. Inhale deeply and exhale deeply. Chin up. Hold for a few more seconds. Now lie down on your back. We will be doing Pawan Muktasana. Now go to Pavan Muktasana and hold the Pavan Muktasana. Relax your spine and lower back. It is very important to relax our spine after any exercises. Lengthen your spine. The lower back is firmly grounded. Inhale and exhale. Don't hold your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. Now go to Shavasana. You can bend your knees if you have any lower back pain. Adjust your head position. Now relax your body. Inhale through the nose and channel the air throughout your body. Relax each part of your body, your legs, hands, fingers, face, lower back, upper back, hips, everything should be completely relaxing. Feel your breath. Synchronize your mind with your breath. Feel the stillness. Now slowly get up. Namaste everyone. Thank you for joining me.